Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for being here and watching me work. On this finger I am doing an ombre design or trying to do an ombre design. You can see me going in with this dynamic color acrylic. It's really beautiful. I just love this color on like brown skin tones. On any skin tone, this color is just gorgeous. But yeah, the formula is awesome. No complaints. And you can just see me just tapping and applying a thin layer. That way I can apply the cover pink that I selected for this. I think it's the cutest pink. I am using Young Nails monomer. The brush is, I think that's a 14 size brush. And you can see the ombre wasn't blended so well. I think it's because the cover acrylic that I selected, the cutest pink by Dynamic Nail Supply, it's a little bit translucent. You have to build up the like the acrylic to get the color payoff sometimes with some of the sheer pinks. But it's really cute. I think this color pink with the green, the teal green, like really just gorgeous. And you can see me just trying to kind of seal in or like apply pressure to get that bead around the cuticle area perfect. But I did speed up this video. The application is sped up by 2. And you'll also see me going with some Mia Secret clear acrylic. But I'm trying to apply it as thin as possible. The Dynamic Nail Supply Cutest Pink. And then here's the clear acrylic to encapsulate. So yeah, if you don't know, you definitely need to encapsulate your design, the ombre design. That way you can shape it and not have to worry about starting over or like filing off the design. But this set came out so pretty. At the end, you'll see a small little clip of the final set or the final look. But everything just flowed really nicely. I was watching a movie while doing my nails. But thank you for watching. See you soon.